Hey guys, I'm back from lunch and a little walk around the park and ready to tackle this edit puzzle once and for all. Um, we've pretty much managed to kind of open a puzzle and load the data in, including the images, which were a bit of a pain to be honest. But now we're going to focus on actually saving that data. So, um, what that entails is basically we're gonna all these fields like date and hint and max attempts we can simply overwrite in the existing document. But the images, because we can delete and add new ones, and the same goes for the success and game over images, we're gonna need to handle deleting old ones and uploading the new ones, and then of course updating our array of images in our puzzle document. So to start, let us, first and foremost, we need to create some separation in this onSubmit function. So I only want this code to run for new puzzles. So what I'm going to do is just separate it out. I'm going to say const create puzzle. Oh, we already have something like that. Let's call it handle create puzzle. And what we're going to do here is just basically move all of this logic in there. And of course we need the async keyword. And that's okay. We need to update our dependencies. We need to update this. And then we also need to say if is editing do something. Otherwise, call handle create puzzle. We don't have to await here, but I'm just doing it in case we add something over here, something shared, maybe a navigate action, then await, we'll need it over here. Cool, so now we've got some separation happening there. We can go ahead and add a handle edit puzzle. So we'll go const on handle edit puzzle. We'll use callback, async, just keep it empty for now, and all we do here is pop it in like that. Cool, so now we got some separation happening. We can deal with this editing puzzle separately to creating a puzzle. So I think the first thing we need to tackle is at the very end of this function, I want to update the puzzle doc. I want to update the solution doc. And then at the beginning, I want to sort of handle deleted images, handle new images, and then the same goes for the success and handle deleted success image, handle new success image, and the game over. Pretty sure we'd be able to reuse some code between these use cases, and we may even reuse some stuff in here. Like maybe we could group the compress and upload actions. I don't know if it's worth it, we'll see. Let's keep things flat for now. And cool, so what do we want to do? We want to handle deleted images. So say I created a puzzle already. We've got these 6 images in here. What if I go ahead and delete that one and now I want to submit? We need to, in our code, detect that an image is deleted and then actually remove it from Firebase storage. So let's see how we can do that. I think to start we'll need deleted image storage paths, and we'll use that we'll map over that to sort of delete each one. But I'm just wondering what other data we might need. We might need the actual, I think that's all we need actually. So how can we get that? We've got some state here. We've got this puzzle images state that gets updated. So when we delete the image, that actually changes. We also have our puzzle data, And I think we can compare the two. So basically our deleted images are going to be the ones that exist in the puzzle data, but they don't exist in here anymore. So how do we do that? We will need to use a filter. Where is my function? Jeez, there's a lot of code in here. Could definitely separate some stuff out into hooks. And I might do that later. But now we're going to use the puzzle data to filter puzzle image. Find the one that is not present in our state using the storage path. So we want to know if, wait, what is puzzle images? Is that our state name? Yes, it is. Images.sum. Let's name these a bit better. We'll go original puzzle image. New, potentially new puzzle image. Sorry, puzzle image. Find me the ones where the storage paths don't match. Yes. Copilot, you're amazing. Okay, puzzle images. Puzzle, yep, I did mean that. Just have a quick look and see what that looks like. Yeah, deleted image storage paths. Copilot really is, it's so insane. Like, I always imagined being able to talk and have something translate that into code, but this is almost better. I just give it a few comments and boom. So let's see what that looks like. At this point, we're not expecting anything to be deleted. Yep, but if I remove you, I want you to be removed. Yay! I think that worked. Let's do another one. Now we have two. Okay, that is great. I like that. Okay, so we have the deleted image storage paths. We need to get the new ones too. So before even actually deleting them, actually yes, let's go ahead and really delete them. So to do that, we have a bit of a util, I think. Delete object from storage. And we need a hook for that. Why is this hook living over here? This hook it's related to Firebase, so I actually feel like that can be moved. Hopefully you update yourself. Nope. Because now I'm about to create a new Firebase hook. And yep, that's cool. So now I want to create a new hook just for deleting objects. So I'll say use delete object from storage. Use delete object from storage, and we give the storage path. Auth user, the stuff. I don't even know if I need this here. I'm probably gonna refactor that later and remove all that. The router is handling the storage. the auth stuff. We don't need to bother with that right now. So this is a mutation. This isn't a query because we are mutating something. We're just gonna do something like this. Delete object from storage. We don't need to actually cache this at all. So that's why it's a mutation, and to use it, we can simply go probably one of these mutations over here. Let's go mutate async delete object. Yep, awesome. And now I'll just go and grab that. Is loading, is delete object storage loading. We'll need to update this loading state. Okay, and then we are doing that. Scroll all the way down. And now for each storage path, we can go and delete them. So we'll just use a promise all again. The order really doesn't matter. No, we want you. Do we need a map? Yes, we need a map. What is the problem? That's string or undefined, is it? Oh, okay. If that is not present, let's just simplify this. Now it should be defined. Cool. Okay, so that's going to delete any ones that are deleted from the UR in storage. It's going to delete them from storage. We also want to handle any new ones that we added and then upload those. So how should we do that? First, coffee. Cheers. Okay, const new image storage paths. Okay, so new images. We technically should be able to detect that just from our puzzle images state. So if you remember, we added this form image, these form image props, and storage path is present when we're editing an image. But if we're adding a new one, URL and file are present. So I think over here, to get the new images, all we need to do is go puzzle images.map, puzzle image, sorry, filter, where puzzle image.file, and then we can map them new images file, and that should give us, you know, that setup. Let's go new image files maybe. Do we need any of the other stuff when uploading an image? Let's see. When we upload an image, we need the ID, we need the file. Cool. New image files dot map file, and no, I do not like destructuring over there. Ends up being super painful. Okay, let's see what happens there. Let's go here, new image files. I'm just gonna disable this for now because it's gonna mess with our puzzle. You know, we need to update the puzzle itself as well. So I'm just gonna remove that. Let's log if we have any new images attached. Probably not. Good. Let's add some new ones with. It's popped at the bottom there, and we will submit that, and boom. Let's recognize that width one. And that's great. So now we can go ahead and upload these. Can upload these ones. And collect the storage paths. So over here we're doing it sort of like using a for of loop to preserve the order, I think. In our case, new images, you know, can be added at the bottom, moved around. We will have some with storage paths, some with files, so I don't think we can rely on the sequential upload. So we may as well use this promise it all. And then later we can, when we map out the new puzzle, we can sort out the order. So let's just make sure we upload them. That'll be our goal now. Okay, goodbye. Where is that upload code? Just gonna copy and paste it. And this has some, you know, metadata that may change. So I may want a little reusable function here. where we just pass the file. Yes, let's do that. And we can use a callback, but the callback doesn't need state, so probably makes more sense just to create a util. And it's getting a bit hairy in here, so yeah, typically you could add your util here at the top, or we could go components, utils. I'm gonna go with this upload puzzle. I think we have an upload puzzle image already. Upload puzzle image. So I'll go handle upload puzzle image.ts. Handle upload puzzle image. Pop all that stuff in there. Return the storage path. Make this asynchronous. Oh no, this can't be a util. It's got to be. It's using a hook, so fortunately we will just keep it a callback. Let's go. Obviously, you can only use hooks within a React component for reasons. So handle upload puzzle image. All I want is the puzzle ID and the file. Puzzle ID is a string. The puzzle ID won't be present when editing, so we need to pass that through. Can't just infer it. The file we get to pass there, and that way we get to keep our metadata in one place. And also we may want to do some other image manipulation stuff here, so I think it makes sense to just keep that a little util. Nice. Remove that. That should work. Remove and add dependencies. Cool, now we have something reusable. Yeah, we can just go await promise.all new image files. Give me a chance. Jeez. It's amazing. I didn't even have a chance to file or undefined. Bullshit. This is definitely a file array. And for some reason TypeScript can't infer that, even though we're filtering on only return ones with files. We probably need to use the TypeScript is something keyword, but I'll typecast it for now. Okay, so based on that, we're just gonna new image storage paths is gonna be a result of all the uploaded files. They won't be in order. We'll actually need to they won't be in order, which is a problem now. We need them to be sequential. I'm sure there's a hacky way of making promise.all work, but I think image of new image files. Let's just go and collect these things like we normally did. New image storage paths is a string array that we are now going to collect based on this function. Once storage path equals that, await file is file new image storage paths push storage path. Okay, now I'm happy. They're going to be sequential, so we can, it makes it easier to later, preserve our order. Alrighty, so for now, I'm going to... Does this... I'm just wondering if this matters. The sequence of the deleted files? No, it doesn't matter because we're just going to remove those. But these is important, I think. Yep. Let's see how we go. Okay, let's remove that for now. Let's go ahead and handle the delete. If the success image changes, we need to also go ahead and delete and upload a new one. Same thing with the game over image. So let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's handle that one. So we need to detect if it changed. We know it changed if the success image dot file is present. No, don't need to do anything. If the success image changed, i.e. file is present, then we need to delete the old one, upload the new one, and store the storage path. Okay, so it's changed if it now has a file on it, and we can then go ahead and go wait, delete. Yep, pretty much. Can I just use the same one? Yes. Delete the old one, and then are we compressing again? Ah, okay, we are. So let's create another util for handle uploading the upload success or game over image. And I think it's just that's changed. They have to be separate because we're using different API calls. Puzzle success image. Yep. That'll do. Perfect. Okay, so we also need the new success image storage path. It's over here. We need to do something with this later. So let's just store it. Success image storage path equals that one. Otherwise, it equals that one. Yes, and then later we'll go and update it on the puzzle document. So now we can do the exact same thing for game over image. I'm just gonna, oops, what are we missing? Whoops. Handle upload game over image. Exact same, except we're using a different API call. And now we can just copy and paste the stuff over here. Actually, I want the comment as well. And if the game over image changed, success, game over. Cool. And I'll upload game over image. Okay, that's awesome. We're handling changes and we're doing stuff. Keeping the sequence there. Now comes the interesting bit. Why? I mean, those have to be defined, right? I might just go over here. Like we actually have something like that in the create. Just making sure that we have all our data. Puzzle. Okay, that's better. Yes. Okay, now comes the interesting bit where we actually have to preserve our order again. That was tricky. Let's just see how we did that. So we created a puzzle. We then mapped the images to storage path placeholder and has partial match. Then we randomized them, and then we updated the puzzle. The solution was just taking all the storage paths and grabbing the word. Okay. So, how are we going to do this? I feel like we might want to first go ahead and create like an ordered image storage paths array. Because at the moment they may be unordered. We've got new ones, we've got deleted ones. We need to construct a new ordered one. So let's just do that. Construct a new array of image storage paths that reflect the puzzle images order while taking the deleted and new images into account. So how we're going to do that is image. Okay, that makes sense. Map over the existing puzzle images. Yep. What else can you come up with? That's interesting. I don't understand the shift. Oh, okay. Return the latest one and return the first one, but remove it from the array so it doesn't get returned next. That is a little bit dodgy. Okay, they're in order. We know they're in order. I think it might work actually. I want to actually see this in action now. Let's have a look here. Image storage paths. I don't want to do any deleting or uploading, but I do just want to see. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to test that. Test this thing as a whole. Okay, never mind that. Let's just trust Copilot for now. But basically, this is just taking the first item of this array and at the same time removing it from the array, so we don't iterate it over it again. Sort of works, but I get a bit nervous about, you know, mutating variables like this. But let's see how it goes. Okay, so we got image storage paths. Then let's go and grab this other code. Yeah, we want pretty much all of this stuff, I think. Goodbye. We'll create new images. We've got a puzzle.id. We will attach random images. Yes, that's all good. I'm happy with this. Our image storage paths should be in order now. Game over, image storage path. Oh, okay. Success image storage path. Yeah, I prefer that actually. But in our data we call it just success. So okay, let's just keep it aligned and change our data types now. Images, you are complaining about something because the storage paths might not be defined. Really? Const added first added image storage path. That's saying it may be undefined, so let's just go if not, throw an error. So I really want to see if that fails, and that should fix our issue there. Images is okay. We randomize them again, which is something I want to add to the UI later. Actually, just clicking a button to randomize it instead. We update the puzzle. Don't forget all the other stuff, guys. 8. We got hint. We got max attempts. Just make sure we have everything. It's the only downside of using partial here. Sometimes, you know, we want everything to be defined, but allow the update to go through. We don't need ID, we need date, images, hints. I think we have everything. So we could create another API call just for like edit puzzle and make sure everything's defined. And we should, but I'm not going to do that right now because I have a feeling this is going to work. This is all good. Create solution. No, we need update solution, which is going to be very similar. Update solution. Okay, we just update, call it update solution. And then very similarly, it's going to be solution. That's all. Yes. Where else are we? Oh, okay, cool. We could actually, yes, let's just leave this. Update solution, we'll go use update solution, just create a hook for it quickly. Awesome, pop it in here. Update use update solution loading. Use update solution. Whoops. Update solution. We'll obviously add that to a little massive loading state variable there. Okay, and then over here, I just want to basically update solution with the puzzle.id. And that's that. This little section is pretty, it's common with this one. Should we group them? Just wondering if they're gonna change separately in the future. They may. Let's keep it separate for now. Let's do all this stuff as well. And puzzle edited successfully. Do we want to navigate again? Nah, I don't know if I want to navigate after that. Yeah, maybe. So now this, effectively, these could move here. But I'm going to keep it like this, nice and flat for now. We have duplicate code, but we're prototyping. And I've got no clue what's going to change. So I suspect things are going to change a lot. So let us keep it separate for now. Cool. Okay, now is the real test. Is this going to work? Let me just do a basic one for now. All I want to do, and I want to log things. And I'll create puzzle. No, I want edit puzzle. Show me what deleted ones look like. Deleted. Sorry. Deleted image storage paths. Sol.log here. New image storage paths. success. See if that changed. Game over. Let's just have a look at everything. Ready? Now I'm just logging it all. Ooh, you know what? Updated puzzle. This can mitigate our update puzzle type issue. And we can see exactly what's not present. Nice, I like that. I'm actually just going to copy that here. We only want that stuff. Oh, okay, in this case, we want a lot, we only want certain things. Oh, I'm going to leave that. Okay, let's see what happens. Holding thumbs. We fetch queries the puzzles. And we also need to, basically we fetch this puzzle, but we kind of need to invalidate that query. Query client.invalidates, and in fact, yeah, let's just do it. Invalidate queries. So I want to invalidate the query for the current puzzle, so that the next time we come back to it, we will fetch new data, and we won't be showing the old cache data. Yeah, okay, let's see. I'm a bit nervous. Let's go. All right, so let's change. All I want to do now is just test one thing. Let's change the date till tomorrow. Submit. Something happened. We had no deleted images, no new images. Success storage path, that doesn't really help us actually. Images doesn't help us either. Solution shouldn't help us. But the date did change. And if we go open it again, the date did not change. For reload. Now it's changed. So our invalidate again is not working there. Let's try this again. I'm going to change it back to tomorrow. Today. Save. It's updated there. Open it. It hasn't updated. So weird. Oh, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't be invalidating there. Maybe I should actually just refetch the data. I don't know about this one. Let's try without the ID. Now I'm just messing around. Reload. Set it to that day. Submit. Updates. Come back. It's reflecting. So I'm not sure why it worked if I removed the puzzle ID. If you know, let me know, because I would love to know. Okay. But our date updated, everything else stayed the same. Let's just try max attempts. That's updated, good. Let us try change the success image to game over and submit that. The logs really don't help me, so I'm just gonna go back in, and that didn't work for some reason. What if I reload? Oh, okay, now it worked. So I feel like I'm going to have to invalidate more queries, because this image is using a cached URL, which no longer exists after you delete it. So we're going to have to invalidate this query key. I might want to do that every time I delete a object. I don't want to have to think about this again. So I'm going to pop it in here. No, we can't. We can. Okay, let's go. Query client, use query client. On success, grab the storage path. What is it? Storage path? Ogs? What does that look like? Okay, you want something like that? No? You want that? I'm just trying to find out how to get the variables, data, variables, okay. Data, of course, is null, so we'll go storage path. Now we're going to go quick. Yes. And this is just query keys, storage path. What's wrong? Oh, is it a string? Ah, not bad. So I must actually convert that to use an object. Use object args. Okay, now let's reload. Let's change it back to the success image, and I'm hoping that it's already reflected. No. Oh, that might help. Okay, let's go back to the game over image. Submit, open new again. What on earth? And if I do refetch, try refetch quickly. Submit, open new again. Does not exist. But if I reload, it's fine. Okay, refetch. Yes, that doesn't make sense. Oh, of course, the storage path changes, so we kind of need to I think we may need to invalidate all of them, which kind of sucks. Yep. Okay, I'm not sure what to do there. I will figure this out. But for now, I think we made solid progress and we're close to actually editing this puzzle. But the video is already quite long, so I think I'm going to stop it there and just leave myself a little to do. SS finish testing and fix the storage URL not reflecting after upload. Cool. I'll have a think about that one, and yeah, I think that's all good for now. See you in the next video. Cheers.